While we were exploring our investigation about balls, some balls that I did provide for the children to explore are, bumpy balls, soft balls, smooth balls, and even some balls that had flat slides as well. Oh, we have more balls here. There's more balls.
Hold your big one. Hold your big one.
I'll hold the big one, okay, Zika? Does it fit?
No.
No. Is it too big or too small?
Big.
Too big, yeah, big.
Hey.
Whoa.
Amma.
That one's small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
And an egg, an oval. Ooh, was it rolling or was it bumpy? It was bumpy.
And baby.
Yeah.
And baby.
This one's bumpy. Some ramps that we brought out were wooden ramps, as well as the long black tube for the children to explore different types of balls, as in like rolling the ball into the tube.
Baby.
Oh, good job, Marie. Did it go far away?
Yeah.
Far away, yes.
I got it. Go in. Yeah. Auto now.
This one was slow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was slow.
Back.
And this one's fast?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you want to do the fast one or the slow one?
Back.
You want to do the fast one? Oh, I'll do the fast.
Whoa.
Now this one.
Yeah. I
You caught it? Yay.
Whoa. Fast.
So fast.
Whoa, what that?
Let me see if I could fix it. Oh, it doesn't fit.
Me. I got it.
Hunter, put it inside. Roll it to Rory. Yay!